everybody, how are we doing today? Before I get started, sorry about last week's video. Technical issues. We recorded it, we went to transfer it. It said it was transferring. We went to open the files and they were all empty. So I don't know what happened. We've since changed our memory card, reset everything. So far it seems to be working. Today I was doing some groceries. I was on my way home, and I like to look at everything. If I see construction at a mall or something, I stop, try and figure out what's opening up. Today I was coming home, I saw a new shop, and it just said coming soon, didn't have a name, didn't have anything. So I sort of pulled in, I was taking a peek, and there were people inside. And they all invited me in. And I was like, oh, okay. And when I walked in, I saw they didn't have a ton of stuff. They were still setting up. They were still waiting for a lot of their stock. But what I did see all came from the Philippines. And they were going to have a small Filipino grocery store. And they're also going to have a restaurant. So I can't wait till it opens. Sorry, I've got an itch on my eye. There we go. They're going to have a small Filipino restaurant there. And I can't wait to get in and to try everything. I've already spoken to them. I will be doing a vlog from them, showing you the different foods. Sorry, that itch is ridiculous today. So, like I said, they didn't have a lot of stuff. I picked up what I could, what they had, and what they said they really liked. And today, pretty well, almost everything is chips. I do have one drink, though, and there we go. As you can see, Foxy is right behind. So, we do have our drink, and this is a pineapple soda. And they say it has pieces of pineapple in it. So I will be very curious to try this. And this is a top that I haven't seen in forever. I don't know if you can tell, but this is the old school where you actually pull that right off. So wow, right away that's a flashback to the old days of the old Coke cans. Wow, that smells really, really good. It smells like pineapple juice almost. So we have our cleanser to go with our drinks, to go with our snacks. This is called Rainy Float or Rainy Float. And as you see, it says pineapple. It says fruit drink with fruit pieces. So I'm curious. But I have also over here, I say, some snacks. And these were all recommended to me. So I'm just going to start off with the very first one, because I just piled them up beside me. Got, what, six things, I think. Now, right off the bat, they gave me shrimp chips, which, okay, great. And they said, while these are not specifically Filipino, they're from Korea, it is an extremely popular snack there. So that's why they carry them, and that's why I got them. So, I do have my knife handy. Yeah. They even look like it. They look like your classic shrimp chip, or when you order Chinese food or something. Yum. Really nice, not too salty, really good crunch, as I'm sure you heard. Light, you put it in your mouth, it just sort of dissolves. If any of you have ever had prawn crackers or shrimp crackers, these are them. And they're just little puffy things. They're really, really nice. Like I say, very light shrimp flavor, but it's a good flavor. Gotta have another one. As always, we'll just put that to the side for now. and we'll go to the next one. I'm looking at these. I'm not sure what I want to try next. So we will go for, just because I love the name, Ding Dong. And these are mixed nuts. Now, these are a product of the Philippines. I know it's a little hard to see, but it is. And she said these were mixed nuts, and they were a little spicy. It says tear here. There we go. And it wouldn't let me tear. Got my garbage next to me. They don't smell spicy. Compared to some of the other things we've had, they don't smell spicy at all. So, try and do this so everyone can see. There we go. So we have what looks like some little peas. I have some chickpeas. Just some peanuts. Oh. We have some pressed soy. And it's a little hard to pick up, but there's also some sunflower seeds in here. So, best way to give this a test, we've taken a small handful. Mmm. Mmm. I don't know if you guys can hear how crunchy this is. Really, really good. You've got the peanuts, which are crunchy, but then go soft. You've got the chickpeas, they're just really crunchy. All the different flavors. The peas in there actually had a little sweetness. Really, really good. I will be getting a lot more of these because I love peanuts. I get them all the time. It's a great snack. Just have to go a little bit careful with what you choose because some of them are really, really oily and greasy. But those were really good. So, the next one, the woman at the store said this was her favorite. And it's called Golden Sweet Corn. Guess what I think this flavor is going to be. Oh, God. Yeah, she actually told me that their packs do have like a lot of air in them, but it's for shipping. So the stuff doesn't get, crushed and destroyed. It smells like corn on the cob. Whoops. I don't want that many. Not yet, at least. Anyways, you can see they look just like big puffs of corn. They actually look like, it's not sugar, yeah, sugar puffs. They look like sugar puffs. They look like a big one of those. Oh my God, it's just like eating corn. It's sweet. It's really nice. That crunch is really good. Little salty. So, corn on the cob, some butter and salt. You got it. These are incredible. I have a feeling I'm going back to that store maybe after this video and getting more stuff. Let's take a little sip of our pineapple soda. We have a couple more snacks to go. Like I said, it smells really good. I don't know if this is a fizzy drink or not. Okay. So it's not a fizzy drink, it's more like a juice. It's almost like a smoothie. It's got that very rich, almost creamy texture. And then there's little bits of pineapple in it. So, yeah, I really liked that one. I'm still like salivating sort of over those golden corn. So this, I think, is a cute name. It's called Chicky Boy, and or Pop Nick, and it says "Crunch Up Your Life," and it says cheese flavor, and I kind of would have guessed that by the big chunk of Swiss cheese on there. Now, if they are Swiss cheese flavor, I don't know. Oh, and these are little small puffs. Trying not to get a ton in my hand this time. There we go. So they kind of look like broken Cheetos. As the saying goes, I need more input. Crunchier than a Cheeto. It's not a corn puff. It's more like a Rice Crisp. Nice flavor. It's not. I'm not gonna say it's like nacho cheese or anything like that. It's just a cheesy flavor. It was really nice though. I will be honest, of all the snacks so far, that was my least favorite. Not that it wasn't good, but compared to the other stuff. So, and then finally, we've got the big bag. And she said she only is going to bring it in the big bags because everyone loves it, and it's just easier for them to bring in the big ones than the smaller ones. And this is called Clover Chips. And again, these are cheese flavor, but these are corn based. So, I'm so used to opening our snacks like this, and she told me, for all theirs, just tear out a corner, and it'll open a lot easier. And it does. So, thank you, Mary, for that. So, oh, okay, cheesy smell to them. Oh, wow. It's a little bit weirder shape than I thought. So they kinda look like a corn chip, like a Frito or something, but smaller. It's like a cross between a Frito and a cornflake, to be honest. There's the cheesy. No orange fingers. Okay. You could tell they were a corn snack. And got that taste. The texture was nice. It reminded me very much of the shrimp chips. You'd pop them in your mouth, they'd crunch, but they'd melt as well. So both were, it was really good. Again, not a ton of cheese flavor, but the cheese flavor was there. Like, you knew it was a cheese flavored chip. It's not like you were guessing, like, is it cheese? Is it just salt? I don't know. But it was really good. So, like I said, this is just a quick video. I need another little sip of my rainy. I still can't get over that pull top can. Like I said, I remember when Coke came that way. So there we go. A quick little taste test. Some great snacks. I will definitely be going back. I want to see what else they have. And like I said, I want to, when the restaurant is open, I want to try the food. Everyone keeps asking me, have I tried adobo chicken or adobo pork? I have, but I want to show it to you, how good it is. So, until then, there we go. Another part of the world that we can say we've tasted. I now know if I ever end up in the Philippines, I've got some great snacks to go for. If you like this video, well, thank you ever so much. And please hit that subscribe button. It shows me that you really like what I'm doing. And guess what? It's free. So why not take a second right now? Yeah, right now, go ahead. Click the like. If you already have clicked that like and you have clicked that subscribe button, well, thank you. I normally do 1 to 2, sometimes 3 videos a week. And there's food tastings, there's cooking. We're going to be hitting the kitchen a little bit later today and making our next dish. So, until then, my name is Andrew. I am the 5 p.m. chef. And until we meet again, enjoy. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.